Hello everyone, some amazing footage here which I somehow missed when it was first released on December the 15th. This shows a Russian Su-25 flying over a grad just as the grad starts firing and nearly getting hit. This comes very close to being the stupidest friendly fire incident in the war if this would have hit it. The Su-25 certainly had a lucky escape here. Now, War Translated has provided this video too. This is a cockpit recording of the Russian pilots who were nearly hit. War Translation has translated it into English, so I'm going to play it now, as it's definitely worth a watch.
Я у тебя сзади справа, мне немножечко неудобно, я левым пойду. Хорошо, тогда это... Я между вами и сзади на метрах 300. Да, я понял. Пошли левым. Я пошел левым на работу. Понял. РТЗО работает. Наблюдаю, блядь. Мать-майку. Ответил. Ну передайте, вот прям перед восьмеркой град отработал. Прям перед восьмеркой. Ну вообще уже ни в какие ворота. Еле, как я, блядь, по ним отработаю, блядь. Пидорасы, блядь.
Крен вели.
So pretty interesting. And I mean, check this screenshot out. That is unbelievably close. So now Russian aircraft not only have to contend with Ukrainian SAM systems, Ukrainian manpads, Gepards, Russian SAM systems, which have got a fair few kills in this war as well, but now also their own rocket launchers. So that's it for this video, a very short one, but one I hope you found interesting. If so, please click like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks very much and take care everyone.